Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex options trading brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Options are contracts that give the bearer the right, but not the obligation, to either buy or sell an amount of some underlying asset at a predetermined price at or before the contract expires. Options can be purchased like most other asset classes, with brokerage investment accounts. Options are powerful because they can enhance an individual's portfolio. They do this through added income, protection, and even leverage. There is usually an option scenario appropriate for an investor's goal, depending on the situation. The best Forex brokers for Forex options trading provide multiple trading tools and options products to help distinguish their offerings from the competition, in addition to being highly regulated and trustworthy. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best Forex options trading brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex options trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. At number 4 on our list is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CYSEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal, educational experience with hot Forex. Coming in at number 3 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 2 on our list, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Exness Limited, is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECM, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex options trading brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex options trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.